Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm jdflutes. Folks, I have a surprise for you all today. This is my new special series, Flutes. These flutes are awesome, folks. These flutes here are probably the best flutes I have ever played in my life. And I've been playing flutes for a long time. These flutes, they are crystal clear. You can give them a little bit more breath, but they only really need a low breath to play still, but you can give them a little bit more breath. What's different about these flutes here than my other flutes is they're made completely different on the inside, and also they're a little bit longer than my other design. Also, you can get these flutes here with different types of fetishes. You can get them with, this one here is with a hawk. This one here is a hawk. You can get them with a buffalo. My buffalo fetish with turquoise eyes or without turquoise eyes. Buffalo fetish. Very nice. You can get it with my bear fetish. My bear fetish. If you can see it. This one here will come with like black eyes. I won't have enough room to put turquoise on it. You can get it with the hummingbirds, the eagles, the arrow, which is my, if I can get it where you can see it, which is my warrior flute design. You can get it with my arrow. It has artificial sinew. Like I said, you can get them with the hawks, the eagles, the bears, the hummingbirds, deer antler fetishes, the buffaloes, many different types of fetishes. And also I'm going to come up with some new animal fetishes. And like I said, I'm only going to offer those on the special series. And also, I'm not going to do every key with the special series. I'm only going to produce certain flutes. It's going to be in the 7/8 of an inch range. I'm going to produce the A key and the B flat key in 528 Hz, 440 Hz, and 432 Hz. I'm going to produce in the 1-inch bore range. I'm going to produce F sharp and G. Also tuned to 528 Hz, 440 Hz, and 432 Hz. In the 1 1/8 of an inch bore. The bass flutes, I'm going to produce bass D, bass E flat, and bass E. Bass E, bass E flat, and bass D. 528 Hz, 440 Hz, and 432 Hz. And with the large bore flutes, I'm only going to produce bass D, bass C sharp, and maybe a bass C. That's the only flutes I will produce with the special series. Like I said, these flutes here are probably, folks, the best flutes I have ever played in my life. They are so clear, so mellow. I just can't say enough about them. I'm just going to let you be the judge of them. Also with this one here, This one here is actually my special series in the key of bass E, and it's tuned to 432 Hertz. The guy that I produced this one for, he didn't know I was making this new design. He actually wanted one of my other designs, but I'm doing this one here as a surprise. So I know he's gonna love it. I know he's gonna love it. He was wanting one with the hawk fetish, and so I decided to come up with a new design, and I came up with the special series. I sat down and I just figured out a way to make the flutes different, and when I made it different, folks, I'm telling you, it sounded way better than anything I've ever produced before. I know you all's gonna love them. So what I'll do to get these flutes out there, I'll go ahead and start the price off low. These flutes are gonna cost me a whole lot more to make, but I'll go ahead and start them off really low for you so you folks can get to try them out. And then I'm going to have to raise the price a little bit on these flutes because I have to do so much work to them. But like I said, if you want one, you need to go ahead and get it now. Go ahead and try it out because I know you're going to love it. I know it without a doubt. I know you're going to love it. Right now is the time to do it. I'm going to have a sale price on all of those flutes. And I'm getting so many flutes now, folks. I'm thinking about going ahead and restart my website again because I have so many different designs now. I'm sending out so many types of emails. It's starting to get really confusing. Since I came up with this new series, this special series design, it's going to be confusing for you folks, and I don't want you to get confused. So for right now, until I get my website started again, just ask for the special series, and then I'll give you all those sale prices for these flutes. But this one here, like I said, it's still being produced with aromatic cedar. Has a hawk fetish with turquoise eyes. I wrapped it with genuine black deer leather. It has an oil finish, and as you can see, this finish here, it has a satin shine. Came out really nicely, folks. Really nicely. I love this flute. I tell you what, I know without a doubt you all's gonna fall in love with them. As you can see on this bass E, I don't have the finger holes large. I have it where everyone can play this flute with no problems at all, folks, and they are close together. They are close together. Like I said, this is my hawk. Hawk fetish. As of right now, I email you all those different fetishes that comes with the special series. Okay. On the bottom of this one here, let me show you this side. Under the bottom of this one here, folks, you're going to see JD's Flutes Special Series E 432 Hertz. That's the way you'll see it on these flutes. That way you'll know it's a special series. These are special flutes. I'm telling you folks, you're going to love it. So remember, you can get them with all different types of fetishes. All different types of animal fetishes. If you want it with a stone or something, I'll still do that for you if you want that. If you want like a plain fetish, I'll still make that for you if you want it. The price will be lower than the animal fetishes. So I'll hook you folks up. Bass E, 432 Hertz. Let me know what you think. up closely and let you hear the quality of this flute. This is with no reverb, no types of sound effects, none of that stuff. I promise you I will not enhance this voice. Try not to hit the camera. Sounding beautiful. Maybe you can hear it up close and personal. I kept moving it around. I don't know if you got to hear it or not, but folks, this flute is beautiful. It's awesome. I just can't say enough about this new design. Like I said, I promise you I will have it at a low price so I can get them out there, let you get to experience what I'm feeling when I'm playing this flute. This flute is just amazing. I've played a lot of flutes, folks. I've played a lot of flutes in my life. And I've had some I thought sounded amazing. But this one here, it outperforms. It sounds way better. It's clear. I didn't hear any airy sounds. If you did, let me know. I didn't hear any airy sounds coming from this flute. Like I said, I've played a lot of flutes in my lifetime, but this one here is by far the best. If you would like to have a special series, you need to go ahead and get it now, folks. Try it out now before the price has to go up, because I will go up on these prices. And folks, if you would like to have one, just simply for right now, until I get my website started, simply for right now, just email me to jdflutes@yahoo.com, just like you've always done, and ask for the special series brand, and I promise you I will give you those photos of all of those fetishes, and I'll give you those sale prices on these flutes, because I want you to have one. I want to create you one, folks. It will be an honor to create you this flute, because I know it's going to spread so much love out there in the world. This flute, you know, I'm doing it with my heart, you know. I know it's going to spread a lot of love. Also, This flute has been prayed over many times, so I know it's going to produce a very good quality. I know it's going to perform very well for you folks. I know that you all is going to love them, and I know when you play it, everyone else around you is going to love these flutes, because I've prayed about it. I know it. I have faith. Or you can call me, folks. My phone number will be below this video. All my contact information. And also, I have so many subscribers. I have so many, not subscribers, but I have so many people that's not subscribed to my channel. They're watching me. I have probably 80% of people not subscribed to me watching my videos. Folks, it doesn't cost you a thing to subscribe to me. It's free. I promise you it's free. It doesn't cost a thing. Subscribe to my channel and also click that bell to get those notifications. When I come up with these new videos on these new flutes, you don't want to miss these new series, special series flutes. So it's not going to cost you anything. Subscribe to my channel and I would truly appreciate it, folks. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for still purchasing my flutes. If it wasn't for you all, I would not be here today. And if it wasn't for the Lord, I know I wouldn't be here. He's the one that keeps giving me these ideas and this knowledge. You know, He's the one that's giving me this strength daily. You know, so I thank Him most of all, folks. Contact me. I would love to make you one of these new flutes. Thank you so much for everything. Have fun and enjoy yourselves.